Hello fashionista, welcome to Eco Fashion. I'm Rose and today's my day 3 of Master Cleanse. And here very exciting part. Yesterday I did not drink the salt because my second day I felt I still have food in my stomach, so I did not drink the salt. And here my third day I have to drink the salt because the salt is where the flush all the toxin out. Like as you can see, this is my third day, see my tongue. All white, that's a sign of the toxin come like to the surface of your body that you can see it. And my breath start to smell terrible. So that's also another sign of toxin come out from my body. And I'm really excited. And I just want to share a little bit with you guys that yesterday and the day before I have a slightly headache because I assumed that I withdrew from the coffee or caffeine that I have been drinking quite a lot because of holidays, so we can drink extra caffeine. But the fact is, I lost about 4 pounds and this is my third day. My stomach get really slim and now time to do the salt. So based on the recipes that I post in my blog, it says supposed to do 1 teaspoon of sea salt or Himalayan salt. If you are like the first time Master Cleanse person, I recommend to do Himalayan salt because it's easier to drink, and for me I can actually push through it because again I have done it in the past for like about 3 to 4 weeks, so I kind of familiar with what it is. So let me show you how I'm gonna do this. So we put a teaspoon of sea salt or Himalayan salt into a cup, about 16 ounce size cup, and I like to mix my salt with warm water. So first I pour in some hot water and I'm gonna mix it well. Mix it until the salt dissolves. Then I'm gonna pour filter water in, about almost full, and I have to drink all of it. Another thing I want to share with you is don't shy away from drinking a lot of water when you drink salt in the morning. Fix it and fill with that and drink as much as water you can. What happens if you have a lot of water in your stomach, that salt water will flush through, and we want that flush through. And when it flushes through, it flushes the toxin out of our body. So that is really cool. I have to tell you that it's super cool. So I'm gonna drink this salt right here. Ah, it's not everybody's favorite, but if you need the toxin out of you, that's what you need to do. Alright, so I'm gonna just top it off with filtered water and drink as much you can, like I said. So I'm gonna just wash my throat off with this filtered water. Much better. And now I'm ready to start my day with the Master Cleanse lemonade juice. Thanks for watching, guys.